This is an audio description of Spectrum and Afterthought, an immersive sculptural environment by Lithuanian-American artist Aleksandra Kasuba. The work is a large tent-like structure, 4 meters tall and over 10 meters long. It is made mainly of tightly stretched, white, semi-transparent synthetic fabric held up by columns. The fabric stretches down from 7 hula hoop-sized rings to 7 overlapping garden trampoline-sized circles that form a large white platform. A white floored passageway extends through the centre of the structure. Each of the 7 sections is lit by neon lights in the different colours of the rainbow. The light illuminates the fabric, which in this darkened gallery space takes on the glow of each colour. You are invited to pass through the work, entering from the left via a gap in the fabric and up a ramp into a warm red section. As you move forward, you progress to the vivid orange section. Kasuba designed this work in 1975 after years of experimenting with environments for contemplation and sensory immersion, and studying the diffusion of light into the colour spectrum. She realised the work at full scale in 2014. As you move further into the work, orange shifts to sunshine yellow, where the colour starts to totally surround you. You are now in the centre of the work, with apple green lit fabric on either side of you that gradually fades into sky blue. The artwork includes atmospheric sounds which change as you pass through. Kasuba wanted to engage our different senses and imagined what each colour might sound like. Sky blue turns to a rich indigo. Expanding the sensory experience, Kasuba worked with perfumer Danute Paujaujas Anonis to create scents that might represent each of the colours of the spectrum. Passing into the final section, the fabric glows with a violet pink. The scent associated with this colour is made with bourbon geranium essential oil and has floral, spicy, red rose, dill and melon notes. You approach the exit ramp and move out into the darkened gallery space. With its gentle blending of light and colour and the soft curves of its stretched fabric, Spectrum and Afterthought represents a culmination of Kasuba's pursuit of immersive environments for the senses.